So welcome to another Brickright video, and as you can see we're laying a porcelain patio for a customer that's found us on YouTube, so hopefully we do a good job. The good thing is, Frey, Ryan's got to learn from somewhere, and he's actually learning from us. Yeah. Have you learned anything since you've been here?
No. You can actually spell his name now.
Can he?
Yep.
How do you spell your name? Oh. Splashy eye. Oh, YouTube, tell him. Should have safety glasses on now. Come on, Frey. You've been told, you've learned.
No.
Mark that out as half now?
Yep. Marked it out 4,900, marked it out 450.
Can we?
Half.
Right, so we can lay that now, can we?
Yep.
Okay.
And the line. Probably water, wow. Technically, if I cut that bit now off, I should be able to go back and mark that bit up.